Are you in the club? Hey guys, welcome back to DCTC. This is Amy Jo, and today I'm going to be opening the Guardians of the Galaxy nesting dolls. And guess what? They're full of surprise toys just for you. Let's start with Drax. He's kind of creepy looking, isn't he? Sounds like there's lots of good stuff in here. Hey, this is one of my very favorite Hello Kitties. Let's see what else we have. A My Little Pony Squishy Pop. And I bet you all know who this is. Marshmallow from Disney's Frozen. Let's open up our Squishy Pop and see what's inside. Feels like a pony. And it is. I think this is Sweetie Belle. Okay, Sweetie Belle, let's show them what the pop means. The Squishy Pops have a little suction cup on the bottom. It didn't stick to my finger, but it definitely sticks to solid surfaces. Isn't that cute? Next up, Rocket Raccoon. I don't hear anything. Oh, what do we have? A pair of Shopkins Season 3 boots. Next, Gamora. Gamora sounds empty too. But she's not. Looks like we have another Shopkins. It's Terry Taco, a Season 3 Shopkins. Terry Taco is from the International Foods Department. Okay, actually that's Taco Terry, not Terry Taco, but I was close. What do you think is in Star-Lord? Let's open it up and find out. Oh, it's another Hello Kitty and she's dressed up like a dinosaur. And it looks like another Shopkins. Oh, this is so cool. It's a vacuum cleaner. I wonder who this is. Vicky Vac from Homewares. Vicky Vac is a common. Look how cute. Speaking of cute, we're left with Groot. And there's definitely something in there. Oh, cool! It's a Kinder Surprise egg and it's Avengers. This is gonna be fun. Kinder eggs are definitely my favorite chocolate surprise eggs. Not only because the chocolate is delicious, it's also because they have the best toys inside. We got the Hulk. As you can see, when I push down on his head, there's a little panel behind there that spins around and different symbols and characters come up, but I don't know what they mean. So I looked on this and all of the different characters that come in these eggs have that. But I still don't really understand, so maybe when you get both of them together, it makes sense, because they have two of them there. So anyway, I don't know, I'll try to figure that out. He's still cool, isn't he? And here is another neat thing about these. Let me show you how these work. So the smallest nesting cup, nothing can fit in there, but watch this. the smaller ones fit into the larger ones. Hey, there's still a toy in there. That is pretty funny. It's Red Skull. Whoa, look how cool he is. Okay, now we can finish. That was funny. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed all of those surprises, and if you'd like to see more surprise videos like this, you can let me know by clicking on the like button. Make sure you leave me a comment and tell me your favorite toy from today. Mine was Vicky Vacuum, the Season 3 Shopkins. For more fun videos, check out the rest of our channel, and if you haven't, please subscribe. This is Amy Jo with DCTC. Thanks for watching!
Another video, that's the end.
Come back soon or we'll miss you, friend.
DCTC. We do toy reviews. DCTC.
And we play with Play-Doh too.
Skits, pranks, eggs and toys.
We make videos for girls and boys.
That's right.